Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. You know who this is. This is Renee, and we're down here in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands at Point Pleasant Resort. And the spa owner has been nice enough to loan us her table to do adjustments on. So I adjusted Anthony first, and now I'm going to adjust Renee for you, Caribbean style. Let's go and you tell me here. And we're going to do a video of the spa for you afterwards too, and give you all the benefits of that. Now see, Renee's right leg short by about 1/4 of an inch, and when I bring it up, it gets even, and that tightens up in her lower back. We were on a boat ride yesterday from St. Thomas all the way over to Tortola, and the seas got a little bit rough. Now see, her sacroiliac joints are out right there. L5's right there. Ooh, right there too. Okay, honey, just and call her honey because she's my wife and office manager. Wait a minute. Put your face way down in there. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, wait a minute.
Hang on. Breathe. Put your face in there. Okay, let's turn on your side towards me.
I breathe in the sheet.
Gotta push that down a little bit more.
Sorry, we're gonna make do with what we got.
Yeah.
It's better than the beach. Well, not better than the beach, but it's different than the beach. There you go. Now let's turn the other side up. Yeah, that's kind of like Jeff Pat-Ass Eccles. And Jeff, I love you. You know that. There we go. Good. Now let's get her cervical spine. Here, Anthony, let's come over here and get this part. So I'm going to adjust her cervical spine now. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. I don't know if you could hear those over there with the wind. She's moving great. Renee got bounced on the boat yesterday about 5 feet in the air. Landed on her tailbone, so she woke up this morning with a massive headache and neck pain, back pain, so this is a perfect opportunity for us to do her. There we go. Here, face that way. Now, adjusting Renee's shoulders is always a fun thing because they're usually hanging out about 1 inch. See there? Did you hear that? Oh, yeah. Woo, good stuff. So we got knocked out in the British Virgin Islands and get lined up on the U.S. Virgin Islands. There we go. There we go. Okay. Very good. So, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson and Renee Johnson, coming to you from Point Pleasant Resort in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. We'll see you next time.